In a small town there lived a boy named William. He was very intelligent. Everyone believed he could achieve anything in life. William had a big dream. He wanted to become a doctor. Everything was going well. His goal was clear. But William had one serious problem. He could not control his mind. Whenever he sat down to study, his mind started to wander. Sometimes he picked up his phone. Sometimes he opened social media. Sometimes he just started daydreaming. He often told himself, "There is still a lot of time. I will study later." But the truth was that later never came. His parents and teachers warned him. They told him, "If you want success, you must focus." But William believed something else. "I am smart. That is enough." One day, his exam results were released. William had hoped to pass and move closer to his dream. But when he saw the result, he had failed. His heart broke. His friends, who studied regularly, had succeeded. The same teachers who once praised him were now disappointed. That evening, William sat alone. He felt ashamed. He knew the truth. He was not lacking intelligence. He had just wasted time. At that moment, he realized something important. Being smart is not enough. Without discipline, success will not come. After that day, William made a decision. I must change. He looked for someone who could help him improve. Then he met Coach Brandon, a teacher who trained both body and mind. William said to him, "When I try to study, my mind keeps jumping everywhere. How can I focus?" The coach smiled and said, "Come with me." He took William to the playground and gave him a bow and arrow. He placed a target in front of him and said, "Hit the center." William tried, but he missed. The coach asked, "What were you looking at?" William replied, "The trees, the field, and the target." The coach shook his head and said, "That is your problem. You are looking at everything at the same time. A focused person looks only at the target." Then he explained, "Your mind is full of distractions, your phone, social media, and useless thoughts. If you want success, you must focus only on your goal." William then asked, "Where do I start?" The coach said, "Follow these 4 simple rules. Control your thoughts. Create a daily routine. Remove distractions. Practice every day. Discipline is built slowly, not in one day." William followed the advice seriously. He created a schedule. He kept his phone away while studying. Whenever his mind wandered, he reminded himself, "My goal is to become a doctor." At first it was difficult, but slowly his focus improved. After some time he could study for hours without distraction. A few months later he took another exam. This time he didn't just pass. He came first 1 year later. William stood on a stage receiving a scholarship. At that moment he remembered the coach's words, "The mind is like a wild horse. If you don't control it, it will control you. But if you train it, it will take you to your destination." From that day on, William followed one rule: train your mind with discipline, and success will follow you. This is not just William's story. It is your story, too. Do you believe this is true? Stay with us and learn English with more beautiful stories.